For 10 years, someone turned a golf course into a toilet, and nobody could stop him. Late at night, a man slipped onto the course, squatted inside a golf hole, cleaned up, and vanished. By morning, golfers arrived to play and found his disgusting surprise. This went on for a full decade. Managers finally installed powerful floodlights to catch him. Instead of running, he climbed a tree, crawled along a branch, and unplugged the lights by hand. No fall, no shock, another escape. Never being caught made him bolder. The course became his personal bathroom, leaving golfers nervous at every putt. Eventually, police caught him. He was locked in a high-security outdoor cell, hands and feet secured in custom metal restraints that took hours to remove. After 2 past escapes, guards thought this was foolproof, but over time, he spat soup onto the cuffs and food slot, letting salt slowly weaken the metal. During a blackout, he twisted free, dislocated both shoulders, slipped through the food slot, and